We are discussing the reproduction in fungi. In case of fungi, 3 types of vegetative reproduction will take place. The 3 types are fragmentation, fission and budding. This fission is take place in amoeba also. Amoeba is an example for the protozoa. Okay, so what will happen in here? The parental body, this is the parental cell. This parental cell, first the nucleus getting divided. Then the cytoplasm is divided and make the 2 daughter cells. So here 2 daughter cells are formed. That's why it is known as binary fission. If more than 2 daughter cells are forming, the division nucleus divide to form more than cells. That is known as multiple fission. Clear it is. This is fragmentation. So this is the first organism. The organism body get divided in this second picture. You look here, the parental body divided. Okay, then this portion lost the tail portion and this portion lost the head portion. In third figure, the lost part they are produced. Okay, and in fourth picture they are fully get matured. That is fragmentation. So in fragmentation, the parental body divides into 2 or multiples. Okay, and each portion forming a new organism. That is fragmentation. Next we discuss budding. Budding means the outgrowth. The body forms, the parental body forms an outgrowth. That outgrowth is known as bud, and each bud lead a new life when it gets matured. Then we discussed about the spores. Asexual reproduction products are the spores. Okay, spores may be exogenous or endogenous. Exogenous means the spores are produced outside, external, and the endogenous means the spores are producing internal. Okay, so the externally formed spores are called conidiophores. Okay, externally formed spores are the conidiophores. And the process of forming spores, sporogenesis. Genesis means synthesis. So here the spores are forming. So this process is known as sporogenesis. So the spore forming process, that is known as sporogenesis. Conidiophores is an example for the exogenous spores. Exogenous spores means the spores are formed outside the body. Okay, and this conidiospores having some features. The features are they are non-motile and form a chain-like structure. They are non-motile and form a chain-like structure. Okay, and the internally formed spores. Okay, internally formed spores that are known as zoospores. Internally formed spores are known as zoospores. Zoology, animal group. Okay, so animal group means they have movement. The movement occurs with the help of flagella. So flagellated spores are the zoospores. Zoospores, otherwise known as sporangiospores. Zoospores, otherwise known as sporangiospores. These zoospores are produced inside the hyphae and they have possible motility. Okay, the motility is possessed because of the presence of other flagella. So, asexual reproduction takes place with the help of spores. The spore formation, that is known as, the spore formation is known as, what is known as spore formation? Sporogenesis. Spores are 2 types, exospores and the endospores. Okay, so exogenous spores produced outside, the endogenous spores are produced inside, internal. So the externally formed spores are conidiospores and the internally produced spores are zoospores or the sporangiospores. Okay, these conidiospores are non-motile and they are formed in the form of chain. Okay, and these sporangiospores or zoospores are what is features? They are flagellated, so they can move from one place to another. The conidiospores are non-motile. Motile means mobility. Clear? So this is about asexual reproduction. Then the next is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is carried out by different spores. The different spores are oospores, ascospores and basidiospores. Oospores, ascospores and the basidiospores. When we are discussing the subdivisions of the kingdom fungi, we will clearly ascomycetes, one group is there, so they are producing ascospores. Then basidiomycetes, another group, so basidiospores. I tell you that all these terms are new to you. Okay, so if any confusion with the spelling, write it 5 times. So the sexual reproduction carried out by spores. The spores are oospores. 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 And ascospores. ASCO. Asco. Then spores. Then the third category is basidiospores. Basidio. BASIDIO. Basidiospores. So all these spores are formed in a special structure that is known as fruiting body. The spores forming specialized structure that is known as fruiting body. Okay. Then the sexually producing fungi may be homothallic or heterothallic. Homothallic or heterothallic. The fungal body that is known as hyphae. All these hyphae are same. The male hyphae and the female hyphae are looks same. That is known as homothallic. Homo means similar. If the male hyphae and the female hyphae are dissimilar, it is known as heterothallic. Got it? Sexual reproduction requires 2 parents, male and the female parent. So in case of sexual reproduction, both the thallus, both the plant fungal body looks alike. That is known as homothallic. Where it is different, the term different, heterothallic. Got it? So sexual reproduction in fungi takes place by these homothallic and the heterothallic hyphae. Sexual reproduction carried out by 3 types of spores. The spores are oospores, ascospores and the basidiospores. And the spore producing, the spore forming structures that are known as fruiting body. Then the next is sexual reproduction in fungi takes place by somatogamy, isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Somatogamy, isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. The sexual reproduction in fungi takes place by somatogamy, isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Okay, so in this, somatogamy is the most advanced type of reproduction in fungi. Somatogamy is the most advanced type of reproduction in fungi. In this, no sex organs are formed and not involved in fertilization. No sex organs are formed and not involved in fertilization. At the time of reproduction, the 2 vegetative hyphae come together and involved in fusion. This is called somatogamy. ഫംഗസിന്റെ രണ്ട് ഹൈഫകൾ തമ്മിൽ കൂടിച്ചേരുക. ഇവിടെ സെക്സ് ഓർഗൻസ് ഒന്നും ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഫംഗസിന്റെ രണ്ട് ഹൈഫകൾ തമ്മിൽ കൂടിച്ചേർന്നിട്ട് പുതിയൊരു ഓർഗാനിസം ഫോം ചെയ്യുക. This is the most advanced type of reproduction in fungi, and this occurs in the group of ascomycetes and the basidiomycetes. Next module we will discuss the classification of fungi. Now the classification of fungi, the two categories are ascomycetes and the basidiomycetes. So the somatogamy occurs in ascomycetes and the basidiomycetes. Clear it is. The next is isogamy. Iso means similar. Gamy means fusion. So the similar type of gametes are fusing. Similar type of gametes are fusing. That is known as isogamy. So what is an isogamy? Just opposite of the isogamy, that is anisogamy. So anisogamy means the fusion of gametes are of different in either physiological or morphological features. If the fusion gametes are either it is morphologically different or different in physiological. The example for this anisogamic fungus is Rhizopus. 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 Clear? Then the next is oogamy. Oogamy means the fusion of male gamete. The fusion of male gamete with the large non-motile female gamete. That is known as oogamy. Okay. The example for this group is Pythium. PYTHITIUM. Again I am repeating, sexual reproduction in fungus takes place by 4 ways.